To log out of your account on Origami Studio. First, you want to go to your Chrome browser and you want to simply search for the Origami Studio website. Simply tap on the first website that you see, and here if you want to download the Origami Studio application, you want to simply tap on this download Origami Studio. However, if you want to access it online, you want to simply tap on these three bars over here. And if you're already logged in into your account, you'll be able to see a profile dashboard over here. You want to simply tap on that profile dashboard, and on that profile dashboard you'll be able to see your log out option. You want to simply tap on that log out option to log out of your account. However, if you're using the application, you'll be able to log out of your account pretty quickly as well. Let's say, come back from that first. Let's say this was our application. You want to simply tap and hold on to the application and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache and simply clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be deleting all the users' data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.